Hey, welcome to Firebase. I just come across some interesting documentation that says device streaming in Android Studio. Google has hosted a number of devices in the Firebase, so you can able to access those devices for 4 hours in a day. So right now I could have seen nearly 15 devices in the Android Studio. But they're gonna keep adding those devices as and when needed. You just install 3.1 Canary 9 and then go to the device manager, and there is a small icon here that says configure device streaming project. The moment you click on it, choose one of the project which is familiar like a big boss something. I chosen that. Then I have a number of devices that have been shown here. So I checked out only 3, and this one I don't want it, and click OK. So that those devices will be displayed here, and the moment you just click and run the devices, by initially they're gonna give you 30 minutes usage of that particular device, so where you can able to run your real application on the real devices. This is how the real device look like. Actually it's a device, it's not emulator for sure, because I have this kind of devices with me. The moment you run this application directly install on that particular mobile and can show you the feature over there. Actually this application is all about like showing the current temperature or current weather information of the current location. So currently this device is available in Western USA seems like, and the weather information is available here. If you want to change the locations or something else, you can able to do it. This features looks really interesting because, and we might be having some medium level device for the development, but we never have a chance to test the application on the high-end devices because it's so much costly, and most probably we don't have that much of money to offer that same. Okay, so those developers hereafter you don't have to worry about it. You can use this feature to run your application on the real devices before it gets deployed. Others, thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Take care. Bye bye.